Welcome to Lotus Student Mentors channel. In this session, we are going to study single inheritance in object-oriented programming. Single inheritance is a type of inheritance where a child class or subclass inherits from only one parent class. That is known as superclass. Here, in this single inheritance, the relationship is established one-to-one relationship between the parent and the child classes. Here A is considered as a parent class. A is considered as a parent and B is considered as a child class. Now it promotes here whatever property is there in parent class, the properties such as variables and methods are here in Java programming. It is a system.out.println statement. System.out.println statement will be there output as output in superclass. System.out.println. In this, it may be I am eating. If you are going to take class, class name is A, that is the parent class, and we are going to write some method eat. Next, we are going to go for class B and we will create some object in class B. Object creation, and we'll go for executing the program. Then if you write like this program, error will come. It won't be executed because we are calling the object by creating the object calling from class A. Unless and until at that time class B there is a word that is called extends. Class B extends A. Then the program will be executed. The output becomes I am eating. Otherwise it won't be executed. This extends is inheriting the class B. Here it is known as the subclass, inheriting the property whatever it may be there in class A, that is the parent class, or the subclass B inheriting the data from the superclass A with the help of the keyword extends. It is the one-to-one. What is the one-to-one? The class B having the relationship with the class A. That's why it is a single level inheritance. It comes under the category of single level inheritance. The single level inheritance. Single level inheritance means one-to-one relationship. One-to-one means one parent, one child, or one superclass, one subclass. Here, suppose if the class A is animal. Suppose class A becomes animal. The class B becomes, here if you write as a dog, extends animal. We created one object method. We are calling the object, which is we are creating the object here and calling from here to the method eating, and I am eating will come. Now the relationship, there is another word relationship is there. I want to introduce you that is a relationship. What is a relationship? Dog is a animal. This dog is animal. That means here the dog is what? Subclass. And whereas the animal is superclass. Now here the relationship between the subclass and superclass is animal is a relationship. Similarly, if parrot, suppose a parrot you have written, parrot is a what? Bird. In this session, the parrot is subclass, whereas the bird is superclass. Here the concept is a relationship. Now let us see the example. The program was written and in single inheritance. You can understand we are going to execute the program execute in the program in Notepad and all. Let us come here. It promotes a code reuse by inheriting the fields and methods from parent class. Alright. So simplifies maintenance since changes to common functionality are made in one class. Establish a clear hierarchical relationship between classes. Now let us see the program was written here. If you write the program, you can execute it. The program very simple manner. This is the program on single inheritance. The class is an animal. Animal class is the superclass, and void it is the method. And whereas system void it is the method, whereas the system.out.println that animals can eat. That is called SO. This is output statement. Here next, the curly brace closes here the main class, and here the closing. The next class dog extends animal. This dog is the subclass. Extends is the keyword to be used when we are applying the inheritance concept in Java. And animal is the superclass. Next, void bark is the method. What is the void bark? Is system.out.println dogs can bark. Now next we are going to write a main method concept. What is the main method? The main method is a public class main. This is called public static void main string args. This is the syntax for main method. The public is the access modifier. There are different types of access modifiers are there. One is public, another one is private, third one is default. Here public access modifier, another one is private, and the third one is protect. Like that, access modifiers are there. These access modifiers are public means we can access the data. Private, no, unless and until give the permission. Similarly, protect also. These are the types of access modifiers. Here is the public access modifier. Static is the method. Void means there is no return. Main, that is a string args means arguments. This is the syntax for in object oriented programming in Java. This is what main method syntax. Now dog, my dog equal to new dog. This is called object creation. This portion completely is creation of the object by using the word new keyword. This is what my dog dot eat. This is what here, what is the name? Dot operator we use. Okay, in this method, my dog dot bark. Here there are two things. One is eating, another one is barking. Now what will become the output here? The output becomes very simple. What is the output here? The output is called my dog eat. Where it goes? My dog eating. Where it goes? It goes on the top. My dog eat. What did I do? Dog. Animals can eat. Next, my dog bark. We have given here calling by using the object creation. My dog bark. This dog bark goes where it goes? It goes to bark place. What is the dog bark here? What is their output here? SOP, that called system.out.println. Dogs can bark. By calling here, dogs can my dog dot eat. It goes directly where it goes here. Void eat. In the case of void eating, it goes. Now what is the output becomes? The output is animals can eat and dogs can bark. This is the program by using the concept single inheritance in object-oriented programming using Java. You can type the program in Notepad and execute it. I will also show you in the coming videos how the program to be executed in Java language. I hope you understood the concept of single level inheritance. Thank you for watching the video.